In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Metatrader 5 password. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do whether you've completely lost access or you just want to change your password while you're logged in. First, an important note about how MT5 works with broker accounts. If your trading account is with a broker, MT5 itself can't recover a forgotten master password. The reset happens through your broker's client portal, and then you use that new password to sign back into MT5. Think of MT5 as the platform and your broker as the gatekeeper for account credentials. If you've forgotten your password and can't log into MT5 at all, go to your broker's web portal. As an example, with Pepperstone, you'd sign into the hub or client portal, open the trading accounts area, select the specific account, click the gear icon, choose Change Trading Account Password, set a new password, and submit. Different brokers may label things slightly differently, but the flow is similar. After you complete the reset in the portal, whether that's Pepperstone, Owanda, or another supported broker, return to MT5 and log in using the new password for that same trading account. If the login fails, double-check you're selecting the correct server and account number, and watch out for extra spaces when pasting the password. If you can still access MT5 and simply want to change your password, you can do it right in the desktop app. Open MT5 and make sure you're logged into the trading account you want to update. Go to the Tools menu, choose Options, then open the Server tab. Click Change next to Password. Enter your current password, type the new one, confirm it, and click OK to save. This updates the password for that account on the broker server, so remember to use the new password on any other devices where you run MT5. A quick note on password types. Your master password grants full trading access, meaning you can place and manage trades. The investor password is read-only. It's designed for viewing the account without the ability to trade. If you forget your master password and can't log in, you must reset it through your broker's portal. MT5 can't recover it for you. And whenever you reset through the portal, always update the password inside MT5 before attempting to reconnect. To wrap up, if you're locked out, reset through your broker's portal and then log back into MT5 with the new password. If you're already logged in, change it directly in MT5 via Tools Options Server. Keep your credentials secure and unique, and you'll be back to trading smoothly.